is on top, is which one is on below. So it really matters, especially when they're placed on top of each other, so that the Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can highlight multiple elements using the Canva app on your phone. Okay, so first of all, let's just add multiple elements into this photo of this guy standing over here. As you can see here, it looks like he has the riz, he looks like he's the Riddler. And no, I'm not trying to try to destroy your mind here. So yeah, while I'm talking here, I'm putting down some elements I can find in the big library that Canva has, and it's even more bigger when you're using Canva Pro, which is why. So while I'm adding all these multiple elements, I would like you to check out the link in the description so that it will give you free access to free trial of Canva Pro for 30 days. So yeah, it's a freebie, so nothing much to think about there. It's not going to cost you anything. Okay, now that we have all of these multiple elements, we just need to click and scroll until we find select multiple over here. And then, as you can see, we have now been able to select or highlight all of these multiple elements. Now we can even copy this and paste them. And as you can see, it has been duplicated. These same elements from each other, all of these same elements have been duplicated into just another copy of them. And then other things you can do, you can even add comments for this highlighted elements, even add animation. So as you can see, these are animated in order. Then you also have the layers over here, so you can choose which one is on top, which one is on below. So it really matters, especially when they're placed on top of each other, so that the one that you want to be on top will be shown, emphasized compared to the rest. Okay, it's that easy to highlight multiple elements using Canva app on your phone. So I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.